As you continue to work with Excel 2013, you'll begin to realize how Microsoft has made it a little more intuitive. You're going to get help along the way, including with this new feature we're going to look at next, recommended charts. When you select data, Microsoft is going to help you pick the right chart for the type of data you've selected. So we'll continue to work with our No Obstacles Sport July 2012 sales report. If you've been following along, all we're going to do is select our data next. Now, if you jump to this lesson, you want to get caught up, go to your exercise files, open up No Obstacles Sport July 2012 Sales Report 2. You'll see exactly what I see, and we're going to select our first column of data, which contains our date. So let's go right up to the heading, column heading A, and click there. That selects the entire column. We also want our price column. So we'll go over to column heading E. While holding down Alt and Control, we'll click that column header to select it as well. So now we have 2 columns of data, and we're ready to create a chart. Well, Microsoft already has an idea what types of charts would best suit the data we have selected. So let's go to Insert, and over here in the Chart section, you'll notice something new, Recommended Charts. Give that a click, and you'll see a dialog box with 2 tabs, Recommended Charts, which are displayed down the left here, and All Charts. So if you don't like any of the recommendations, no problem. Just go to All Charts and select the chart that you like best, just like you always did in previous versions. But here under Recommended Charts, you'll see at the top, this one's highlighted, and we see a preview over here of the scatter chart. Now, based on the scale that's being shown here, we don't see any variation. So we would have to do a little bit of work with our scale. Same thing for the line chart. The third one, which is a stacked area chart, does show all of our fluctuations. And if we go to the fourth one, you can see it's like the others. We would have to adjust the scale using the clustered column. So let's go with the third one, our stacked area. We select it by clicking and then click OK. Now it's going to create the chart for us right on top of our data. We can go to the border though, and right on the border when you see the 4-sided arrow, click and drag it off to the right. We'll just move it off to the right a little bit. Looks good. And you'll notice something's happened on the ribbon. We're looking at Chart Tools now with the Design tab selected. So we can actually hover over these different designs to get a preview. And if we see one that we like better than the original, all we have to do is select it by clicking. I think I'm going to go with this one here, style number 6. Give it a click. And I have all of my other chart tools available to me here, just as though I created this chart from scratch. But with recommended charts, I have a pretty good suspicion that I'm going to be selecting the right type of chart for the data I've selected. We'll just click off in a cell in behind to deselect our chart and continue from here.